Hey guys, my name's Raquel, but you can call me Rocky. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're not. Today I am going to be showing you guys this green eye makeup look for St. Patrick's Day. Hope you guys enjoy.
I'm going to start by taking a NYX eyebrow pencil and filling in my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to clean up the bottom of my eyebrow using the Maybelline Master Conceal Concealer. And I'm also applying the concealer to my eyelids to give myself a more even and blank canvas to work on. And I'm also going to apply the Shadow Insurance Eye Primer by Too Faced. From the James Charles palette, I'm going to apply the shade Tune all over my lid. Next, going into the shade B and applying it all over the lid with a fluffy brush. Next, I'm going to take the shade Social Blade and apply it right below the yellow with a fluffy flat brush. Going back into the shade B to blend everything out, and then I'm going to dip into the shade Daddy and apply that to the lid. I'm focusing the shade Daddy on the outer corner and in the crease. Using a fluffy brush with nothing on it and using it to blend out the edges. Now dipping back into Social Blade and making sure everything is blended out. Again, going into the shade B and blending everything out. And also packing more of the shade Daddy onto the lid. Next, I am cutting my crease using a flat brush and some concealer. Now I'm going to apply the shade Guac using a flat brush, but I'm going to spray the brush before applying it. Next, going back into the shade Daddy to deepen things up. Next, I'm going to apply the shade So Good to the center of the lid. And then I'm going to apply some false lashes. I also cut the false lashes before applying them. For my face, I'm going to start with this Tone Adjusting Face Primer by e.l.f. For foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Match in the shade Caramel Beige W7. Now I'm going in with the NYX HD Concealer to cover spots that I feel that I need more coverage in. Next, using the NYX HD Concealer and the Maybelline Master Concealer, I'm going to use both of them to highlight my under eyes and my T-zone. Now I'm going to set my face using the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder in the shade Light. Going back into the James Charles palette, I'm going to use the shade Daddy to smoke out my bottom lash line. Now I'm taking a white eyeliner pencil and applying it to my bottom waterline. Now I'm going to bronze my face using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Next, I'm going to take this Sephora palette and use this brown shade to contour my nose. Now I'm going to apply some blush. Now I'm going to set my face using MAC Fix Plus. For lipstick, I'm going to be using this MAC lipstick in the shade Smoked Almond. Now I'm going to take a Bobbi Brown art stick in the shade Brown Berry and apply it to the center of my lips. Next, I'm going to apply some highlighter using the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the shade Golden Flower Crown. And finally, I'm going to set my face using some MAC Fix Plus. And this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I wish you all luck on St. Patrick's Day.